I know a lot of clients that have gone elsewhere to get cheaper hair color, and then it's cost even more to get a color correction, or their hair is damaged because of all the process that it's gone through. Damaged hair is just not pretty. At Atlantis Salon, I know that we will listen carefully to get the job done right the first time so that you don't have to undo a process and damage your hair. We help people with their needs as far as maintenance, and we also put a lot of thought behind exactly what we do. So it's not just the aesthetic, but the chemical process and understanding how chemicals, heat, and the person's individual hair texture all plays into the color that they're gonna get in the end, and making sure that their hair stays healthy. Coloring is my main specialty, so low maintenance blondes, bright vivid rainbow hair, and then I also do a lot of cutting, so I do pixies, long layered haircuts, and then I also do keratin treatments. One of my favorite quotes is from Brene Brown, which is, "Nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care." So that's why I have people schedule a consultation. Consultations are really important because they help give you a stress-free appointment. People don't always know what they want when they come in. So I think it's nice to have that first appointment just to talk about exactly what's going to be best for your lifestyle, whether it's with color or cut. I help a lot of my clients by giving them lower maintenance looks that are easier to style. I personally am a low maintenance person, and so I feel like I'm able to help my clients out by empathizing with not wanting to be in the salon a lot. They can come in 3 to 4 times a year or less. So many of us have busy lives. A lot of my clients have kids, and they need to be able to come in as little as possible, but then feel beautiful in between and not feel like they need to come in every 4 to 6 weeks. When you're my client, I explain exactly what you need to do to take care of your hair at home, whether that's using hot tools, needing a water filter, or using the proper shampoo and conditioner to maintain your color at home. When you do business with Atlantis Salon, you're going to be able to walk away with the exact hair that you want because we've had a thorough discussion of exactly what you need. So make sure you go to atlantishairsalon.com and fill out the contact forms so that I can book you a consultation as soon as possible. At Atlantis Hair Salon, we promise that you will get the best hair care you've ever had and that you will know exactly how to maintain it at home with the proper products and that you feel listened to and you have the hair of your dreams. My name's Naomi, and I'm a hairstylist.